Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. The Rhodesian Ridgeback, originally bred in South Africa, can be used in packs to hunt lions. Removing this tiny little 2 amp fuse will completely put a 30-story elevator out of service. Tuesdays at 3 pm 6 weeks before your flight is the absolute cheapest time those tickets will ever be. This is fossilized dinosaur skin. The world's fastest camera can shoot 10 trillion frames per second. Meet the 21 years old Lexi Alford, youngest person to visit every country in the world and a Guinness World Record. Dorodango is a Japanese art form in which a ball of mud is rolled in the hand and polished until it is shiny. If you are 16 or older, there is a 60% chance you have met your soulmate. The @ in centuries old was used in the Europe to donate a unit of weight equivalent to approximate 25 lbs. If Earth loses oxygen for 5 seconds, then every building made of concrete will turn into dust. Your eyebrows renew themselves every 64 days. Carrot contains 0% fat. About 1,53,000 people will die on your birthday. There is a movie Rubber and it is about a car tire that kills people. Cows don't have upper front teeth. Birds do not pee. The penguin is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly. Drinking black tea can prevent lung damage from smoking. Each day, the average person sheds 60 to 100 strands of hair. This is what a Russian Caucasian mountain dog looks like. Women on top position helps them build confidence in bed. In 2014, Apple CEO Tim Cook publicly revealed that he is a gay and became first gay Fortune 500 CEO. In 2020, the Vatican censored a video of Pope Francis saying whiskey was the real holy water. When a female lion is in heat, she can have sex up to 100 times per day. Britain is responsible for the Independence Day celebration of 63 countries around the world. Most lizards can breathe and run at the same time. In ancient Egypt, killing a cat was punishable by death. Walking can boost your creative thinking by average of 60% according to Stanford study. A single human being's DNA contains as much information as 50 novels. The average person spends 45 to 62 minutes a day just waiting. 28,800 rubber ducks were lost at sea in 1992 due to a shipwreck. The script for Terminator sold for $1. Tom Cruise divorced all three of his wives when they were 33 years old. It's impossible to hum while you hold your nose. Try it. Dinosaurs lived on every continent, including Antarctica. In Uganda, around 48% of the population is under 15 years of age. There are more than 24 time zones around the world. Book benches in Bulgaria. Wearing blue jeans is banned in North Korea as it is seen as a sign of American imperialism. Rolls-Royce makes the most expensive car in the world named Sweptail that sold for $14 million. In 2013, Cristiano Ronaldo opened a museum dedicated to himself. A cat named Stubbs was the mayor of a city in Alaska for 15 years. Tornadoes can cause fish rain. Sir Isaac Newton, at the age of 19, threatened his parents to burn them alive. This is an asteroid named as Bennu. About 40% of the Americans believe humans and dinosaurs existed at the same time. Scientists confirm that fighting between your brothers and sisters actually increase the social skills, vocabulary and development. Thanks for watching.